How to find theme to settings on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find theme to settings on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here. After that click settings, then go to messaging, and once you're here scroll all the way down until you find theme to. Here is it. Now here you can manage it. You can turn on or off auto download and SMS delivery reports, and that's it. I hope that can help you. Then just go back and it will be saved, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.